Good morning, students. Today we are going to see class 10th subject English. Unit 2 Prose. The night the ghost got in. The night the ghost got in. The title itself indicates that the story is about the ghost. Written by James Grover Turber. Now we'll see about the author. He was born in 1894 and died in 1961. He is an American author, he is a cartoonist, he is a humorist, journalist, playwright. He is best known for his cartoon and short stories. His works are mainly published in the New York Magazine, and his autobiography, My Life and the Hard Work, was published in 1933. Now we'll see the characters. James Turber's grandfather, father, mother, and his two brothers, Herman, Roy, and the neighbor, Brownville, and his wife. He was a retired man. Now we'll see the key points of the story. The incident took place in the author's house on the night of November 17, 1915. He heard the footstep of a man walking rapidly around the dining table in the downstairs. His mother was asleep in the upstairs room. Herman was in another room and his grandfather was in the attic. The author stepped out of the bathroom by hearing a sound at 1:30. He first thought that his father and his brother Roy must have returned home who had gone to Indianapolis, but they hadn't come. Then he suspected that it might be a burglar, but nobody was there. Later he thought that it was a ghost. He went to the Herman's room and asked to accompany him downstairs. They went to the back staircase to listen to the footsteps. They saw nothing, only heard the footsteps again and again. They shut the door in fear. Mother woke up and demanded to know what was happening. She thought that was a burglar in the downstairs. Then mother requested the neighbor to inform the police that there are burglars in their house. The neighbor, Mr. Brownville, called the police and the policemen came along with some reporters. They searched downstairs and they told the author's mother that there was no sign of anything. When they heard the author's grandfather in the attic, they rushed upstairs to the attic. Grandfather was an old man who believed that he was still in the American Civil War. He snatched the gun from the police and started shooting at them. The police managed to save themselves and came out of the attic. Grandfather shooted him thinking that the policeman was a disaster of the army. The next day morning, the grandfather asked him why the policeman had came the previous night. He further told them that he had to look for the water in the dining table the previous night as nobody bothered to leave a bottle of water beside his bed. Summary. The Night the Ghost Got In is a short story by James Turber. This story took place on 17th November 1915. It starts with the author coming out of the bathroom while drying himself. At that time, he heard the footstep in the downstairs near the dining table. So, he wake up his brother Herman. They go to the back stair to listen to the footstep. Herman gets scared and run back into his room and slammed the door shut. James Turber, who shut the staircase down. These sounds wake up their mother, who came out and demanded to know what was happening. When she does not get a proper answer, she thinks there is a burglar in the downstairs. The mother wanted to call the police, but the phone was in the downstairs. So she throw her shoe at the neighbor's window and requested them to call the police. The police arrived with some reporters. They searched downstairs, and when they find nothing, they came upstairs to tell the mother. At that moment, they hear some sound in the author's grandfather's room. They rushed upstairs to the attic. The narrator's grandfather was an old man who believed that he is still in the war, and as soon as the police entered the attic, he started shooting at them. After the police managed to save themselves and get out of the attic, one of the reporters asked James about the matter. James tells him that it was a ghost. Hearing all this, all the policemen leave their houses immediately. Then the family returns to their respective bedrooms. The next morning, the grandfather came out to the breakfast. James, Hermit, and the mother think that the grandfather has forgotten the whole scene. But the grandfather at last says that he had to look for the water in the dining room the previous night, as nobody bothered to leave a bottle of water beside his bed. So I think you understand, the students. The story ends here. At the end, there was a confusion in the family that it was a burglar or it is a ghost. But it was not like that. It was his grandfather who came down for searching the water. So from this story, what you understand? So whenever we had a problem in our life, we should not take a sudden decision. We should think it, we should judge it, and then we should take a decision. Thank you. Have a nice day.